Top 10 ways to make a girl fall for you. Are you looking for ways to make a girl fall for you? You've come to the right place. In this video, we will look at the top 10 ways to make a girl fall for you. From being confident to having a good sense of humor, these tips will help you develop a connection and get the girl of your dreams. So, if you're ready, let's dive in and learn how to make a girl fall for you. 1. Be a gentleman. It is important to remember that being a gentleman goes a long way. This doesn't mean that you need to buy her flowers every day, but simply that you should be respectful and treat her with kindness. Show her that you appreciate the things she does and that you want to make her happy. Hold the door open for her, give her compliments, and be generous with your time and attention. Show her that you are interested in her and that you are willing to go out of your way to make her feel special. Doing these things will help make her feel valued, and she will maybe begin to develop strong feelings for you. 2. Give her your undivided attention. One of the most important things to do is to give her your undivided attention. Showing her that she's the only person you're focused on when you're with her is a great way to make her feel special and appreciated. This can be done in small gestures, such as turning off your phone or not checking it when you're talking to her. It can also be done in larger ways, like taking time out of your day to focus solely on her and have meaningful conversations with her. Showing her that she has your full attention will make her feel valued and more likely to fall for you. 3. Be yourself. The best advice is to simply be yourself. You should never try to be someone that you're not in order to impress a girl. If she likes who you are as a person, she'll be more likely to develop feelings for you. Be confident and know that you have something special to offer her. Show her that you're proud of who you are and what you stand for. Don't be afraid to express your opinions, passions, and interests. Talk to her about things that matter to you and listen to what she has to say. At the same time, don't be overbearing or needy. Give her space and don't bombard her with too many questions. Just be comfortable in your own skin and enjoy the conversations that you have with her. If you can show her how confident and comfortable you are, she will be more likely to fall for you. 4. Show interest in her life. It is important to take the time to get to know her and find out what she enjoys doing, what her interests are, and even her goals in life. Showing genuine interest in her will help to create a connection between you two and make her feel special. Also, listening is key. Make sure that you are listening attentively when she talks about her day or when she tells you about something that happened. Showing that you care about her by listening and responding to her stories will make her feel appreciated and valued. 5. Make her laugh. Laughter is one of the most powerful tools to break the ice and show a girl that you're confident and fun to be around. A great way to do this is by sharing funny stories, jokes, and anecdotes. You can also get creative and come up with unique ways to make her laugh. For example, if you know she loves music, try to make up lyrics to popular songs that tell your story and how you feel about her. This will show her that you are creative and care about impressing her. You could also find common interests between the two of you and use those as conversation starters. The more she laughs, the more she will enjoy being around you and the closer you will become. 6. Get along with her friends. Having a good relationship with your girl's friends is an important part of making her fall for you. Friends play an integral role in a person's life and they can have a huge impact on how your girl feels about you. Showing that you are considerate and get along well with her friends will make her feel more comfortable around you, and it can help to build a strong connection between the two of you. Start off by talking to her friends when they are around. Make an effort to remember their names and ask them questions about themselves. Doing this will show that you are interested in getting to know them and that you respect them as people. When you are with her friends, be sure to be kind, polite, and respectful. Don't make any negative comments about them or talk badly about them behind their backs. Your girl will appreciate it if you are a good friend to her friends, so make sure to keep up the good work. 7. Be a good listener. It is no secret that women love men who are good listeners. Being a good listener shows a woman that you are interested in her and that you care about what she has to say. It also helps build trust and can increase your chances of making a girl fall for you. To be a good listener, make sure to give her your full attention. Don't be distracted by your phone or anything else going on around you. Put away any distractions and make eye contact with her when she speaks. Ask questions to show that you are listening and engaged in the conversation. Show interest by responding with thoughtful comments. 8. Compliment her. Compliments make a woman feel good about herself and show that you're interested in her. By taking the time to express your admiration for her, it demonstrates that you appreciate her qualities and that she has value to you. When complimenting a girl, try to be specific and sincere. Focus on her unique characteristics, her talents, or her efforts that she's put into something. Avoid general compliments like, "You're beautiful," and instead opt for something more meaningful like, "I love the way your eyes sparkle when you laugh," or, "You always have such insightful comments." Additionally, be sure to follow up with a smile or a hug to really emphasize how much you appreciate her. 9. Tell her she's beautiful. When it comes to making a girl fall for you, it's important to tell her she's beautiful. Not only will it make her feel appreciated, but it will also help her to feel more connected to you. A simple, "You look beautiful," or, "I think you're beautiful," can go a long way in making her feel special. Don't forget to add a genuine smile and eye contact when saying it. 10. Text her or call her. Showing that you are interested in getting to know her can go a long way when it comes to making a connection. Start off by sending her a friendly message or call to let her know that you are thinking of her. Ask her questions about her life and share your own stories and experiences. Give her compliments and make sure to be genuine in your interactions. This will help show that you care about her and will help make her feel special. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more daily videos.